Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see, I am in front of my closet and I'm going to be doing a closet clean out. I did one of these a while ago and I decided it's time to do another one, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I have my closet behind me, like I said earlier, and I'm going to be getting rid of clothes that I no longer wear or just don't like anymore. So without further ado, let's get started. I have my closet color organized, so that's why it's like black, white, gray, and it just makes it easier in the mornings when I'm getting dressed, because if I want to wear the color white, I'll just look in this section and try to find the shirt that I was thinking of wearing. So that's why I have my closet color organized, because it makes it a lot easier. It's hard to explain, but I kind of have a lot of clothes right now because I haven't cleaned out my closet in a while, and I really need to clean it out and get rid of clothes that I haven't been wearing, so I'm glad I'm finally filming this video. Just looking for some of the stuff I no longer want. So I'm just gonna film myself looking through the clothes, and then I'm just gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I get rid of. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I actually sewed this to be shorter, but I kind of sewed it crooked, or is it just, oh, it's just button crooked, so that's why it looks like that. But I really don't think I'd wear this. I'm gonna try it on and see if I like it, and if I don't, then I'm going to be getting rid of it because I haven't worn it once. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one just because I need to buy a new one, and this one's kind of old. This one I'm gonna keep, but I think I'm gonna put it in my pajama drawer just because I can't really wear this like out anymore, because for some reason it got super yellow, and I actually wouldn't wear this ever because I never wanted it to get messed up just because I like it so much. But it's looking yellow now, and I don't really want to have this in my closet like to wear, so I think I'm just gonna start wearing this as a pajama. This top, I really don't know if I like it. I don't think I like this, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, so that's as much as I could look at on this side, so now I'm going to be switching the sides on to this side, which isn't as organized. Here is this side, and as you guys can see, it's kind of color organized, not really though, just because these are all of the other colors that I have in my closet, like purple, blues, pink colors, not really, that's like kind of pink, not really, greens, got a little orange right there, and red, and then these are like sweaters and dresses. And I don't really organize this because all of my dresses, I don't have enough to make it color organized. But now I'm gonna start looking through this and seeing what I want to get rid of. I think I'm gonna get rid of this top. I've had it for such a long time, and if you look close up, it's kind of getting old. I don't think you can tell on camera, but it has like a whole bunch of fuzzies, and it's like the fabric's really soft, but I don't know, I don't really like this fabric, so I think I'm gonna be getting rid of this one. Gone through a lot of my closet off camera, and I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the other stuff that I'm going to be donating slash just getting rid of. So I actually filled up a bag. I'm gonna be getting rid of this top. I don't really wear it often, so that's why I'm gonna be getting rid of it. It's a really cute top, I just don't wear it often. This one is like a workout top. It's inside out because I tried it on, but I'm gonna be getting rid of it just because I was gonna wear it the other day and I didn't like how it looked, so that's why I'm getting rid of this one. Here it is. So there's that one. Getting rid of this tie-dye one. Looks like this. Once again, these tops are cute. It's just that I don't wear them ever. This is another workout top. It's kind of see-through. I just noticed that. It's like see-through. And the back's really cute, but I never wear these, so that's why I'm getting rid of it. Here's another top. Looks like this. It's really wrinkled because it was in the bag. Here are some jeans that were actually too high water on me. There's those. This top was so cute. It's a really cute top. Just doesn't look that good. This one. This used to be one of my favorite shirts. I have another one in yellow. That one was just see-through. Same with this one. This one was see-through as well, so that's why I'm getting rid of this one. Purple. This one in my last closet clean out, I said if I don't start wearing this more, then I'm gonna get rid of it, and I haven't worn it once, so getting rid of that one. This one I tie-dyed, but I just have too much tie-dye, so I'm gonna get rid of this one as well. And this was actually just blue, and then it got messed up, so I had to tie-dye it. Here's this one. I actually bought this one when I went thrifting because at the time I got this one. I was like, they look pretty similar, like same concept, but I finally got this one, so I don't really want this one anymore because I don't know. But yeah. And I have this dress. It's inside out, but it looks the same the other way. It's just a flowy dress at the bottom. I have this tie-dye one. I tie-dyed this, but I have a lot of tie-dye, so that's why I'm getting rid of it. I have this tie-dye one. I didn't tie-dye this one. This one was bought like that. I have this shirt. I've just never worn it, so that's why I'm getting rid of it. This one's actually really cute, but it's see-through, so that's sad. That's why I'm getting rid of a lot of them, because they're see-through, but yeah. This one I'm getting rid of. It's actually cute. I keep saying that about a lot of them. I like these shirts, it's just that I don't wear them. Like, I don't reach for them, so that's why I'm getting rid of them. This one, I made that one. This used to be one of my favorite shirts. I'm getting rid of it. And then the last one I'm getting rid of is this one. I just don't like this fabric. I used to have a lot of clothes as fabric, and now I don't like it. Just a green shirt. And I'm also getting rid of all these headbands that I never wore. So yeah, that's all the stuff I'm getting rid of, and the stuff I showed you earlier. Got rid of quite a few things, like literally I'll show you guys. I actually got rid of a lot more things that I thought I was going to. This is a good amount of stuff. So I'm pretty happy about that, and now I have like more space in my closet, and it's not as cluttered as it usually would be. The camera's super high up. I needed to clean my closet, and I haven't filmed one of these videos in a while, so that's why I thought this video would be a good idea. But that is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!